Panasonic Taiwan is committed to providing technological solutions to our customers in line with our larger vision to create a better life and a better world. By connecting with the 5G ecosystem, maximizing the benefits of AI, and establishing seamless connectivity with the Internet of Things, we aim to create exciting new experiences. With Panasonic Taiwan's Smart Factory solutions, we cater to the evolving needs of our customers. Our IoT and AI-enabled solutions enhance quality and efficiency through 5G connected ecosystems. Let us guide you as we explore the applications and benefits of integrating new age technologies such as enterprise 5G, AI, augmented reality, mixed reality, mobile technologies, and machine learning. Our various smart factory solutions provide seamless connectivity while meeting and even anticipating the needs of different industries. 5G is the way of the future, and it's all about speed, low latency, and high capacity. For enterprises, we are thrilled about what private 5G networks or enterprise 5G will mean for edge computing, automation, smart manufacturing, and other digital transformation initiatives. So what is 5G? 5G is fifth-generation cellular technology that uses enhanced mobile broadband to achieve ultra-high speeds due to its ability to support multi-gigabyte rates. 5G boasts low latency, which means a much shorter time for a packet of information to travel round-trip between 2 points. Furthermore, the recent explosion of IoT relies on 5G to connect multiple devices at once. As new technology is assimilated into our work and homes, 5G connectivity is more important than ever. Enterprise 5G is perfect for applications that require high reliability and are used for specific purposes or controlled environments, such as smart factories with complex production lines and healthcare environments. Companies can use Enterprise 5G to transmit data from IoT sensors on machines to servers for complex real-time analytics, which can then be put to use immediately in real-time decision-making to improve operations on the worksite. Public 5G, on the other hand, must also be highly dependable and flexible for applications in diverse scenarios, such as public safety and autonomous driving. Compared with other wireless networks, Enterprise 5G is superior to public 5G in reliability, flexibility, and independence. Enterprise 5G is more flexible and can be designed for different uses. The user can establish uplink speeds based on their own needs, making it highly customizable for diversified applications. Other requirements, such as coverage area and traffic flow demand, can be adjusted quickly on an as-needs basis. By establishing regional or private networks, it is far more secure, thereby providing exceptionally consistent performance. Panasonic Taiwan provides one-stop services for all operations required to establish an enterprise 5G space, including equipment supply, equipment planning and design, installation, and maintenance. Some features of our high-performance products include reliability of 99.99%. In addition, our 5G RAN can support up to 384 connected user equipment for each cell and up to 128 concurrent UE. Furthermore, our coverage radius extends to 15 meters. Of course, with an upgrade to Enterprise 5G, new equipment is needed to facilitate the next generation of connectivity. Panasonic Taiwan offers 3 types of user equipment for Enterprise 5G that are simple, minimalistic, and user-friendly. First is the dongle, lightweight and portable. It provides a single connection to link devices such as a smartphone and smart glasses. Next is the CPE, which is stationary and provides multiple links. This is IoT gateway technology, which can integrate 5G and Wi-Fi, providing a Wi-Fi connection for IoT devices, while simultaneously providing 5G benefits. This is ideal for the deployment of multiple cameras for inspection. The third type is the portable multi-link MiFi and can be used as 5G hotspots for multiple devices. These are usually mounted on autonomous mobile robots, which themselves may be equipped with other surveillance devices. Next, let's move into the factory and explore more specific applications of how AI can ensure the speed of the workflow, efficiency in production, and quality of products. AI visual inspection is most commonly deployed in a factory or assembly line. Before its use, workers would need to visually and manually inspect products, leading to several issues, such as the lack of manpower, as well as quality inconsistency due to varying standards by different employees. The AI exterior inspection solution eliminates these issues, and by connecting with the programmable logic controller, is able to establish protocols for separating defective products and applicable models for other engineering stations. AI applications significantly shortens the inspection time and provides quality feedback to enhance the entire workflow. Our studies show that, on average, operating time has been shortened by 77%. Furthermore, the precision of AI inspection increases the types of detailed defect separation from 15 to 89, greatly enhancing quality control. Conventional methods of using visual inspection by workers was problematic because of a lack of manpower. Now, that need has been greatly reduced. In fact, about 30% of a factory's total personnel costs are earmarked for inspectors. With AI visual inspection, personnel costs can be lowered by a considerable percentage. Human visual inspection is often inconsistent, as no two humans view things in the same way. Our clients have remarked that the AI visual inspection system standardizes inspection quality, creating a more uniform and consistent quality of product. Panasonic's AI visual inspection also surpasses those of industry competitors. Most prominently, our AI interface app is the easiest and fastest to deploy, making it incredibly convenient and user-friendly. In addition to visual inspections for products, another challenge often faced in factories is the issue of boosting worker efficiency in assembly lines. The manufacturing industry faces the challenge of accelerating training for skilled and unskilled workers. Panasonic Taiwan's Process Assistant solution uses the latest 5G, AI, and augmented reality technologies to increase assembly productivity and workflow. In small volume, multi-type, mixed production plants, there would be a sharp productivity drop every time the plant switched to a different type of product manufacturing. Our solution brings workers back up to speed quickly to reduce work loss. The training of a new employee used to involve the guidance of another experienced worker. In high variety, low volume plants, even experienced workers would have to take time to familiarize themselves with frequently changing operating instructions. This means they would often pause to review product procedures before resuming work, leading to much longer production cycle times. Wearing AR smart glasses, the worker can follow the graphics superimposed on the screen of the product before them and follow step-by-step instructions on where assembly work should be done. This method of instruction also familiarizes experienced workers to new types of products and individual assembly methods. When using the AR smart glasses, the view of the user's perspective is transmitted to the AI server via 5G. AI uses image recognition to distinguish the current step in the assembly process and prepares image recognition for the next step. Finally, AI sends the graphic image back to the AR smart glasses and superimposes it on the assembly in front of the user's viewing perspective. AR smart glasses, or AR goggles, provide point-of-view instruction during the work assembly process. In cases where skilled workers do not require step-by-step guidance, we offer diversified solutions in production assistance. The combination of a camera and tablet PC linked to the AI server through 5G connectivity provides functions such as operating sequence monitoring, assembly status monitoring, assembly quality control, and assembly time statistics. AR glasses, or mixed reality glasses, also enables workers at different sites to effectively communicate with each other and resolve issues. Our solutions in remote communication utilize AR glasses and augmented reality technology to enable experts to collaborate remotely with those on the front line, either on the plant production line or conducting on-site repair, and resolve problems in real time. In these three scenarios, remote repair, sales service, and on-site working conditions, AI and AR technology work hand in hand to transmit on-site images, confirm necessary information, relay the information to back-end support, which then issues guidance, work instructions, or confirmation to those on the front line. Remote communication helps to reduce the unnecessary movement of personnel, avoid or reduce on-site contact, and ensure content preservation. Needless to say, this was an important factor in reducing contact during the pandemic. Our remote connection types include both domestic operations, which allows for managers working from home to oversee the manufacturing site, and overseas operations, which empowers those in the office to monitor real-time conditions on the factory floor. In terms of our process introduction, the basic package can be customized with optional combinations, including additional application solutions, communication environment increase, and application solution expansion. With e-commerce booming around the world, there is an evolution in streamlining warehouse technologies. The integration of AI technology and wearable AR devices optimizes the entire order fulfillment process, thereby increasing efficiency, order accuracy, and overall customer satisfaction. Traditional warehouse picking is tedious and time-consuming. The worker manually goes over the list of items, gathers items from different inventory locations in the warehouse, and again manually updates inventory records. The warehouse picking process can be slow and expensive given its labor-intensive nature. With AR goggles facilitating material picking operations, the worker can now move quickly and accurately along precise movement lines and access storage and digital records. By providing optimized routes with validations and photos to ensure that pickers are retrieving the right items for the order, the AI system improves accuracy and makes the order picking process more efficient, saving the company both cost and time. In the Warehouse Pickup Assist system, information is transmitted at ultra-high speeds between the picker and back-end support network via Enterprise 5G. Order information is presented to workers in their field of vision, along with inventory location, material, batch, and other information. Once the worker has retrieved the item, their wearable device will automatically scan the barcode, sending the information to be identified by the AI and documented by the Material Management Database. All warehouse picking operations are optimized and updated without delay. As we all know, better cable management leads to an increase in performance, traceability, and management, not to mention reduction in risk of overheating. However, all too often, poor cable management and network installation are the result of patchwork fixes, which only kicks the problem down the road. Another issue for clients is the investment of time it takes to learn the operating procedures for proper server wiring, as well as the downtime that occurs during operation errors and reworking to fix connections. Although appearances may not be the biggest priority, the internet is chock full of pictures of nightmare server rooms. This not only gives off a messy and disorderly vibe, the tangle of interconnected cables makes it more difficult to expand, reconfigure, and perform maintenance. In worst-case scenarios, these server rooms are also fire hazards. Our solution combines AI with AR smart glasses, connected through a low-latency 5G communication network. Using AI learning, clear instructions for server configurations and wiring procedures are provided to the user through the lightweight AR smart glasses. To efficiently and neatly wire the servers, the user simply wears the AR smart glasses, which transmits the user's point-of-view image to the AI server. The server processes the image and identifies the barcode attached to the cable, as well as its corresponding port. Instead of having to look away from the task at hand to consult an operating manual, the user is given directions by the AI server superimposed on their point of view. As our environment grows more and more complex, we rely on technology to conduct monitoring, keep us safe, and notify us immediately of any security issues. With the Panasonic AI plus CCTV security solution, personnel safety is ensured in real time. By incorporating autonomous mobile robots through the enterprise 5G network, the security system is now on the move, monitoring environments like schools, factories, construction sites, and airports. The Panasonic AI plus CCTV security solution can easily detect intrusion in controlled areas and abnormal behavior. It can be applied to construction sites to ensure that all safety protocols are being followed. In schools, the combination of monitoring and analysis allows the users to assess the concentration of school students in particular areas throughout the day. The next generation of security solutions include more than just stationary, high-resolution CCTV. With 5G connectivity, high-res images are instantly transmitted back to the Security Monitoring Center for AI recognition analysis. What's more, the security network can be expanded to moving robots equipped with video surveillance, or more discreetly through cleaning robots or epidemic prevention robots. These devices can be deployed in areas such as public institutions and transport hubs, where CCTV and robot settings can be adjusted easily and remotely to cater to changing conditions. After all, it is of the utmost importance to provide flexible solutions that fit our customer needs. Our AI learning functions can be customized to different scenarios. For restricted area intrusion detection, the AI is capable of monitoring multiple detection areas, simultaneously tracking multiple people and recording their stagnation time. At construction sites, the AI system can detect whether all personnel are wearing safety gear, and it is programmable to detect other equipment inspection items. AI-enabled fire detection can differentiate more quickly and accurately between real or false alarm situations. When smoke or fire is detected, the AI sends alerts with images and location data to first responders, which can prevent the loss of lives and reduce property damage. New technology can increase work efficiency as well as provide solutions to human safety and security. Robotic solutions combining AI, CCTV, and AMR technologies really open up to a whole new world of possible applications. Automatic guided vehicles, or AGVs, move throughout a facility by following a set of predetermined paths. They are the predecessors to our more advanced mobile robots. Autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, can freely navigate their operational space. Like an AGV, an AMR can detect obstacles in a similar way, but is smarter because it can navigate around obstacles to continue on towards a mission goal. What's more, multiple AMRs can be linked together, allowing them to coordinate routes, loads, and complete complex tasks as a team. The AMR is changing the landscape across many industries, including semiconductor production, healthcare, automaking, warehousing, and logistics. In Asia, AMRs have even been adopted in restaurants and other public areas. Two of our AMR models can be seen here, with and without the CCTV component. The 5G AMR has a maximum stowage of up to 90 kilograms, enabling it to handle desired loads in a wide variety of work environments. The AMR's AI learning allows it to automatically navigate and plot optimal trajectories and paths while complying with workplace safety standards. AMRs can work autonomously to transport materials, reducing errors and workload for human staff. In situations where multiple AMRs are deployed, the fleet management system can monitor and simultaneously coordinate up to 100 AMRs to work together to navigate and solve complex challenges. The work carried out by AMRs may be complex, but the setup is user-friendly and intuitive. AMRs automatically generate a map of the operational space, while the user can easily make changes to their route or mission. Each robot is highly customizable, with Panasonic Taiwan ensuring that all parts come together in a seamless and fully integrated system. It is all built on the AMR, which is already capable of route optimization, obstacle detection, and linking with multiple other AMRs. On top of that, customers can pick and choose from a veritable buffet of high-tech options to fit their specific needs. Onboard components include a transporter, 5G terminal, 4-in-1 camera, 5G network, AMR control software, and camera control software. Let's look at one plant as an example. Prior to adopting AMRs, the workload was physically grueling and required employees to transport materials from the holding area to the supply line. This was a task that was easily adapted and handled by AMRs. The fleet schedule controller, much like an air traffic controller, was able to schedule settings, establish location and routes, monitor the work status of individual AMRs, and control them remotely to work as a team. It could monitor which of the two production lines requires more materials and dispatch AMRs as needed. Another important component on the AMR is the 4-in-1 camera, named because the camera is equipped with 4 lenses, providing views in every direction without any blind spots. With such a powerful tool, the AMR can see its surroundings and smoothly maneuver itself accordingly, conduct factory safety inspections, serve as a mobile smoke and fire detector, and record and back up the latest images for AI processing. Now let's get on the road. The city of the future is the smart and connected city. With AI and intelligent transportation system applications, Panasonic Taiwan aims to utilize this new technology to provide innovative services and traffic management to create safer, more coordinated urban environments. Currently, much of the technology needed to make smart roads and smart cars already exists, from radar to infrastructure communication, high-res cameras to small, powerful sensors. Panasonic Taiwan's wealth of experience in developing connected networks and integrated systems has been applied to create the Traffic Monitoring System, or TMS, an intelligent automotive and traffic management system. The TMS can be mounted on lampposts dotted throughout cities for full coverage, is equipped with edge computing AI, full color display, 4-in-1 multi-sensor camera, vehicle detection radar, and high-speed Wi-Fi. These smart lampposts are an ingenious way to utilize existing infrastructure to improve traffic management. Instead of having to rely on multiple cameras to cover one intersection, now one multi-sensor 4-in-1 camera can do the work of many. With a tilt angle adjustment, the 3 horizontal cameras and 1 aim below can cover all perspectives while minimizing blind spots. Vehicle detection radar uses radio waves to determine the range, direction, and speed of motor vehicles. Because radar sensors are not affected by weather conditions such as wind, rain, fog, light, humidity, and air temperature, they are ideal for accurate detection in all outdoor environments. The combined use of CCTV and radar allows the traffic monitoring system to detect the vehicle's license plate, model, speed, and position, as well as determine the number of vehicles, no matter the weather condition. The lampposts are mounted with powerful and brightly lit displays, projecting a variety of useful information for those on the road. With an IP rating of 65, the display panels are weatherproof and protected from external elements. Edge Computing AI conducts traffic analysis using the data received from the radar sensors and cameras. The system monitors vehicles, sensing and recording the speed, trajectory, license plate, and vehicle type of each automobile. With add-on AI functions, the system could enable vehicle-to-vehicle communication. This would allow for information to be transferred between vehicles and infrastructure, helping to detect and even prevent collisions through trajectory analysis. This intelligent system could warn drivers of dangerous situations, such as speeding, illegal parking, and wrong-way driving. Panasonic Taiwan has set its sights on applying new technologies to address an old problem: gas leaks. By leveraging AI to automatically assess the data transmitted through a number of wide-ranging sensors, Panasonic Taiwan's gas leak detection system provides immediate alerts to keep workers and citizens safe. Previous methods of gas leak detection required workers to patrol the site using handheld devices with a detection distance of less than 50 meters, taking up a lot of manpower and working hours. Furthermore, these handheld devices could only detect one or two types of gases, meaning that workers had to juggle multiple inspection machines. Panasonic Taiwan's solution deploys a network of sensors that is able to quickly detect multiple types of gases automatically. Each of the sensors have a range of over 5,000 meters, making it easy to conduct effective monitoring covering the entirety of the worksite. With wireless communications, any gas leak can be immediately reported, providing significant protection for workers of chemical and petrochemical industrial plants. The sensors transmit information back to the AI server, which can analyze the gas using a gas cloud diagram. This enables the system to detect the location and concentration distribution of the gas in real time. The gas cloud graph uses color to show the concentration of gases, which can be used to find the source of the leak. Unlike previous gas detection devices, our sensors are able to detect multiple gases, including toxic industrial chemicals, such as phosgene gas, ammonium nitrate, petrochemicals, or dangerous solvents, chemical warfare agents, including riot control agents, nerve agents, or vesicants, and stimulants like aerosols or carbon monoxide. The network of sensors is connected to the AI server via 5G high-speed wireless communication. The client can adjust the number of cameras to achieve full coverage of the entire plant. Remote security surveillance is conducted through the central control area, which can also toggle between settings to detect different types of gases. Panasonic Taiwan is deeply engaged in AI, AR, and AMR solutions. We believe that connecting them into integrated solutions is essential to overcoming existing issues and creating entirely new experiences. With our enterprise 5G network solutions, businesses can customize a dedicated 5G network that provides unparalleled reliability, security, and data privacy control. Our team will assess an enterprise's needs and requirements, conduct field analyses, custom build the application or network solution, and provide all necessary operational maintenance and support. Domestic customers can pick and choose between app services available on public 5G networks, enterprise 5G network solutions, or app services delivered through enterprise 5G systems. Panasonic Taiwan works closely with clients to customize solutions tailored to their needs. Our smart solutions have already been deployed in a number of environments, including smart factories, public transportation hubs, and hospitals. In addition to specialized services for the Taiwan market, We also provide overseas customers with diversified products and services through our Panasonic Regional Support Office. We have branched out to Europe and Southeast Asia and look forward to expanding our business in these markets. Panasonic Taiwan is eager to explore a future made possible with 5G, AI, and IoT working in sync. We aim to unleash the full value of cutting-edge technologies to develop new business opportunities with enterprise 5G networks and accelerate the digital transformation needs of enterprises. This heralds an exciting new age of innovation, of faster interoperability, trusted security, and an interconnected ecosystem. Innovation can bring us closer together.
Panasonic. A better life, a better world.